Let's see how it's happened. Enter the letter, go to layer, double click, you can get a blending option. Here change the fill opacity to 0. In strokes add fill type to gradient and then click OK. Make a copy of this letter. Then copy of this letter. Place it in a center. Make sure all the letters are aligned properly. Select all. By clicking Alt, duplicate this and make flip vertical. Select this copied layer and group it. Go to layer section, in the group, make opacity to 5 and then click OK. So you can get this reflection effect. For more tutorials, do follow and subscribe the YouTube channel.